On top inside Edo today, Governor Gontinu don tok am say they go continue to use technology take dey collect tax for Edo State. Governor Gontinu don tok am say wetin make Edo State government dey knack hammer on top the talk say make dem dey use technology dey collect tax, and even if say some people no support am, na because say if dem use technology dey collect tax, dem go fit protect the traders from insults wey dem dey face and double taxation. E tok say im administration go strengthen dem collabo with tax appeal tribunal for south zone so that dem go fit boost tax compliance for Edo State, especially with the way investors still dey come Edo State these days. Governor tok dis one when chairman of tax appeal tribunal for south zone Obey Odiase Alegimele come pay am courtesy visit for government house for Benin City. Governor Obaseki come explain say wetin make dem stop people make dem no dey collect tax again, and wey make dem start to dey use information and communication technologies ICT na so that dem go fit protect traders and other taxpayers from all the katakata wey dem dey face on top tax matter. Governor tok say although dis action don draw dem go back small, but dem go continue to dey use technology dey collect tax. E tok say taxation na one of the ways wey most states still dey get revenue, and say any state wey wan grow their internal economy must to make sure say their people dey pay tax. Obaseki tok say people need to know say na their right to dey pay their tax because na their tax na government dey use to dey develop the state and the state economy. Chairman for tax appeal tribunal for south zone Obey Odiase Alegimele tok say dem set up the tribunal so that dem go fit solve the quarrel wey dey for clients for tax and the authority. Alegimele tok say for advanced countries, taxation na very important part of development and finance, but e no be like that for Nigeria. And na dis one I make federal government dey throway body put on top taxation matter, because dis one go help dem do ogbonge development for Nigeria. And so we see am reach on top wetin shele for inside Edo today. On top say Governor Gontinu don tok am say Edo State go continue to dey use technology dey collect tax for Edo. Make una no forget say na T-Live Media na im dey bring dis ogbonge updates dey come give una. My name na Mary Edoleye.